Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul and today we have another unboxing. I got two watches from Amazon to try out before I buy. This is the first one, this is the Citizen, and this is the second one. And we will open it with our small knife because I injured myself using another knife actually while I was as I'm moving to a new house. So this is the Gigandet G2-005 diver, and you will see here we go. Looks really cool. I actually wanted to see how good are these affordable divers from Gigandet. So we have a screwed down crown, hand wind, quick set date, so it's a 42 millimeters diver with unidirectional bezel and stainless steel bracelet to 300 meters of water resistance, so pretty cool. And let's see how it looks on my wrist. I have a 17 centimeter wrist. The watch is 195 grams in total. As you can see here, it's on my wrist. The watch has a thick profile, I think around 15 millimeters of thickness, which is a lot, even though it has a Miyota A2-005 inside from Citizen. It has 22 millimeters lug width with solid links, but clasp bracelet, clasp, stamped clasp, stamped clasp. Yeah. So let's take this tickets off. Does look quite cool. Might even take it out of the bracelet just to wear it out and try it out. So let me take it out of the bracelet, put it on a maybe on a NATO or something and try it out for today. And maybe I'll do a video to compare it with Fortis and the Black Bay, so you have an idea of what you get with your money. This costs around 150 euros, and Fortis is around 1000 and the Black Bay around 3000. So I'll be showing you like what you get for under 200, what you get for 1000, and what you would get for, I think, which is a good range for a diver, which is 3000. So I'll pause here, put it on a NATO, and come back to you guys. So I'm back with the watch on the NATO strap. It actually looks quite good. The bezel feels very smooth, a bit on the heavy side. It has also back play, as you can see, which I don't like, but at least you can center it somehow on the 12 o'clock because of the back play. So as you can see on my wrist, I do like the green and black, but I'm not a big fan of only green and black. I would have liked it more if it's green on green, but that's why you have try before you buy, so I can try it before I buy it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this quick episode or quick video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Of course, here's the subscribe button. Here's a video that you might like, And yeah, hopefully see you in the next one. Have a great one, everybody. Bye bye.